I would like to propose a 10-point agenda for urgent action. 1. Debt suspension till the end of the pandemic for low-income and most stressed countries. 2. Cancellation of debt of least developed countries. 3. Restructuring of the public sector debt of other developing countries under an agreed inclusive multilateral framework. 4. A general allocation of special drawing rights of $500 billion. 5. Expanded concessional financing to low-income countries through multilateral development banks. 6. Creation of a new liquidity and sustainability facility, which should provide short-term loans at low costs. 7. Fulfillment of the 0.7% official development assistance commitments. 8. Mobilizing the required 1.5 trillion annual investment in sustainable infrastructure. 9. Achievement of the agreed target of mobilizing $100 billion per year for climate action in developing countries. And 10. Immediate action to stop the massive illicit financial outflows from developing countries to rich countries, to offshore tax havens, and at the same time there should be an immediate return of their assets stolen by corrupt politicians and criminals back to these countries. This one action, I assure you, Mr. President, this one action would benefit the poor countries more than all other measures put together. Excellencies, everyone agrees that there has to be a collective response to recover from the COVID crisis and at the same time achieve sustainable development goals and implement targets set by the Paris Agreement. Excellencies, the UN Charter's concept of collective security embraces collective economic security. Without economic security, conflicts and disputes will persist and proliferate across the world. Guided by the principles of this Charter, we must all work collectively for an inclusive, stable, and sustainable economic, social, and political order. I thank you.